In neighborhoods worldwide, a quiet revolution is turning worn-out gadgets into lasting assets through local repair networks. This episode follows a repair cafe model where volunteers diagnose devices, source spare parts, and teach skills to neighbors. By choosing repair over replacement, families save money, manufacturers reduce waste, and e-waste cycles shrink, especially when components are modular. Real-world tip: register a repair session, stock basic tools, and partner with schools to train young tech enthusiasts. The ripple effect reaches schools, seniors, and small businesses, proving sustainable tech starts with community hands and shared knowledge.